this was coming. This was long before anybody knew the climax of the show.
Hi Seher, today we are going to show you some of your pictures and you are going to tell us the stories behind them.
Okay, this is the first one. This was from the teaser launch day, and I remember this was such a special moment. I got to share stage with SRK, and the things that he said and everything, it just made my entire day. And yeah, I went back home and I shed a couple of happy tears because this was just too good to be true. This is the second picture, Diawol event. This is Bilal and this is Manav, the other two co-writers with Aryan for The Bads of Bollywood. And yeah, this was from that night. This is my friend's puppy, super cute. He's all of 2 months old and I love animals, and this was, you can see the happiness on my face. This is a still from the music video that I did with King called Kamal Hai, and yeah, this was from the shoot. It was actually the first time I met King and we were rehearsing, and it was a lot of fun because both of us were just getting the steps wrong, and yeah, he's an amazing guy and we had a lot of fun. He's a very funny guy also. This is in Manali. A friend was clicking, that's my mother, so he was clicking a picture from his room, and my mom and I, we were checking the pictures that I was taking of hers or something like that. Basically, we were just going through the pictures that we had just taken 5 minutes back. This, who knew this was coming? This was long before anybody knew the climax of the show. This was from one of the parties where you know, we just took a random picture, and after the reveal and after the show, this just made for such a great picture and a great caption which I posted on Instagram which said, "Meet the Talwars." This is one of my most favorite places in Mumbai. It's Mount Mary, and I go there really often, and it just makes me feel really happy. This is again from the photo shoot that we did on the teaser launch day, and we literally did the entire photo shoot in like under 3-4 minutes because we were all running so late. So this is that picture from that day. This, I remember meeting MM in his office during Ganpati to actually decide on the outfit that he was going to give me for the Bads of Bollywood screening. And this is the picture that we took for the very first time together during Ganpati in his office. This is a trip that I did this year with my sister in Phuket. Phuket. Yeah. This again is a picture from Manali. Yeah, great times. This was I think this new place that we were actually exploring next to the riverside. This again is a picture in Manali. This was one of the winter mornings where I just felt like wearing a salwar kameez, and we just took some random pictures outside in the garden. This time I felt like I needed that break, and it just always feels amazing to be back home with family, and I was there after Diwali actually. I didn't even get to go back during Diwali, but now I'm going again for New Year's, so excited for that. This is one of the test shoots that I did last year, and one of my very different looks and something that I don't usually do, but I really enjoyed this. This is a picture that we took when my dad was in Mumbai. He rarely comes to Mumbai, and he has done his college in Bombay. So we were just exploring the city, we were just trying out different restaurants, and this is one of the shots that we took somewhere over there. My favorite restaurant is where I used to go when I was studying in Jai Hind. I used to really go to Leopold, so I quite enjoy that. This, I just wanted to do something different and wear something more traditional and something. This was again one of those very random photo shoots that I just did, wearing some gajra on my hair and a sari. This again is something that I really wanted to wear Indian and take pictures, so this was again a photo shoot that we did for that. This, I remember, I have grown up doing Kathak, and my school actually only allowed that dance form, and which today I'm very grateful for because I feel like I get all my postures and my hand movements really properly because of Kathak and having some amount of background in Kathak. So when I first came to Mumbai, I really wanted to do Kathak classes, So this is from that day where my teacher took some still pictures of me while doing Kathak.